You know, when the cooler weather comes, our meals tend to go from light and bright to warm and comforting. And although there's no shortage of dishes to serve as main courses, it's often a challenge to come up with tasty go-alongs to pair with them. So to help you out, and as part of our Oktoberfest festivities, we've created an old world stuffing that's always a hit. We start by sauteing some celery, onions, and carrots in a bit of butter. After they cook for a bit, we add in an apple that we've peeled, cored, and chopped, along with a bit of salt and pepper. Once everything's tender, we pour this over a loaf of rye bread that we've cut into cubes, along with a good amount of warm chicken broth, a pound or so of fresh sauerkraut that we've drained, and some crumbled bacon. After everything is mixed, we'll put it in a baking dish before popping it in the oven. What you end up with is a hot and hearty stuffing that's just as at home with a few German sausages as it is with your favorite pot roast. To get the recipe for what we call old-fashioned German stuffing, all you have to do is go online so you can add it to your Oktoberfest feast. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an old world way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.